Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a mega tea with only Herbalife products. It's going to be an autumn harvest tea. We're going to start with our pomegranate flavored LiftOff. We're going to use our cinnamon flavored herbal tea concentrate. My cranberry aloe is gone, so today we're going to use mango aloe instead, and it's going to be awesome and no problem. So we're going to start with crushing up our LiftOff and dissolving it in our serving glass. And put just the LiftOff down here. A little bit of water to dissolve it. Now we're going to set this aside and mix our tea and our aloe. Use half a teaspoon of the herbal tea concentrate, so 1 regular serving. That's probably about 4 ounces of water. And we're going to use a tablespoon of the aloe. Okay, now this is dissolved. We're going to fill our glass all the way with ice. Now put a little bit of water in here to separate your colors. And now we're going to pour the tea and the aloe in over the top. There you go.